Hello and welcome to Dad Got Parts. Today is a very special day for us. We are riding Tron for the very first time. It is our Passholder preview day, but we have a few things we want to do before we do that. So let's get going. The first thing on the list is something for the kiddo. She wants to do Enchanted Tales with Belle. It's back! So that's what we're gonna do.
This is so exciting. Tonight's the night Belle and the Beast fall in love. Well, at least we hope so. And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
Are you guys ready to surprise Belle with a story?
Yeah! Wonderful. And we have enough parts for everyone. Oh, and of course, we'll need someone to play the master, the Beast. He has a mighty roar.
All right, paws up. Let me hear you roar. Oh, that was very, very scary there. They're gonna play our Beast. Alright, can you go stand next to that
Next,
armor?
we need Belle's father, Maurice.
Yes.
Maurice gets locked in a dungeon where he'll hear you roar.
Beast roar.
Now, everybody, roar! Wonderful. Oh, you're on.
Alrighty, my cast, go ahead and head into the library. Everyone else hang tight for just a second.
I believe the villagers are ready for you, sir.
Ah, wonderful. Suits of armor, are you ready?
We.
Superb. Now, you have the hardest part of all. Throughout the entire tale, don't move. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Please be our guest. And as time went on, Belle realized that the Beast was not mean, but that his heart was sweet and kind. And Belle and the Beast became the very best of friends. And that is the story of how the beauty met the Beast. Magnifique, thank you all so much. And to show our appreciation, a little something to mark the occasion.
Belle, your favorite book moments.
You think of everything. And isn't this the perfect way to remember the time we spent together today? And thank you very much for playing Beast. You did a fantastic job. Now, before you go, I'd like you to look right over at my friend. Give him a big smile. And a round of applause for the Beast, everyone.
Show Daddy what you got.
I got a book.
You love to read books. That's so cool.
Right. Well, I mustn't be late for dinner. Thank you all very much.
Au revoir, Shelby. Good luck. Suits of armor, you are dismissed. Goodbye, one and all.
I love that show.
Yeah?
I got to play the Beast and I got to dance with Belle.
What did she say to you while you were dancing?
She said I did a good roar and what's my name?
That's awesome. Was that the best thing ever?
Yeah.
Now, what's the trick to doing a good roar? Can you show me that roar that you did?
Roar.
Oh, I see. All right, we're gonna go do some other stuff, but that was awesome.
Thank you.
After story time with Belle, the kid wants to ride Winnie the Pooh. So we're gonna ride Winnie the Pooh.
Yay.
All of this is in preparation to get on Tron. That's later.
One day in the 100-acre woods,
Hey, happy Wednesday.
For food. How dare! Come bounce with me.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Bounce will make you feel just great, doesn't it? Watch out for heffalumps and weasels. They steal honey. Steal honey. With you in a minute, Piglet.
Last, the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to celebrate.
Hooray for Pooh, too!
It's not the party without me.
How was that ride?
It was awesome.
What is your favorite part about Winnie the Pooh?
Probably the bouncing part picture.
What are we gonna do next? A quick stop by the lunching pad for some provisions. Cream cheese filled pretzel. And the cream cheese is warm. That's pretty good. And a blue raspberry Fanta slushie, because it's actually a little bit warm today. That's good. And we are on the People Mover, and I have Drew in the moment.
Hi, everybody, and guess what?
What?
I am wearing the same shirt as your wife today.
He is. and his wife
great taste.
has the same bag as my daughter.
Who knew?
And we're all Haunted
like-
Mansioned out. Like, I don't know what
Oh,
happened.
that's
but
right. You are too. Because the whole thing is, I don't have it. I don't
have
own
any
anything
Tron.
Tron. I don't own
Yeah.
anything Tron.
We should have got some Tron for
I
this.
know. What were we thinking?
But here's the funny thing.
Yeah.
What did we do? We're on the People Mover, and what did we have already done?
We have gone up the ramp, and it decided to stop, and we all almost went like bowling balls.
Yeah.
Seriously, a bowling pin.
We broke the People Mover before we even got on it.
It knew we were coming.
It knows. All right, let's move.
Let's do it.
Little People Mover down, and we are very close to our time on the grid. We'll be popping on the grid here soon. Take a look at the queue, and hopefully I don't screw this up and I can get some video. I got a chest mount, got the GoPro ready to go. Hopefully this works out. Hi, Buzz! Nice! Don't shoot me with your laser, please. He's live.
We're moving.
We're moving.
And I'm
And
empty.
we moved 4 steps. I think,
4 is better than 3, Jamie.
yes. I think one person moved up, and then now they're just tightening the line, I think. Oh no.
Here we go.
Looks like people are going in.
We're moving.
We're going. Is that refreshing?
Oh, there we go.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health.
In all available space. Thank you.
Oh.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Okay, that's cool. Oh my god, that is so cool. Okay, this is pretty amazing. Oh, that's awesome.
Remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
It's awesome.
In the light cycle run, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you?
Everything goes inside the locker, guys. Got a blue one there.
We go all the way over here, Queen. Oh, I got you.
You were straight, actually. So, you want to push forward?
Oh! Okay, this is cool.
Prepare for Team Blue Light Cycle Run upload sequence.
Oh my god.
Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured.
Oh my god. What?
Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Woo! Oh my god, Team Blue. Oh my god. That is something that I've never experienced before. Oh my lord. That is so cool. Oh, I know. Oh my gosh. I really like that ride.
I like it.
More than Guardians. We're the entire train, apparently. Oh my gosh. That was fast. Like being here at the front. Being here at the front was crazy.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
Wow. That was the coolest ride. That beats Guardians. And way less nausea-inducing than Guardians. Especially for me, since I was at the front, like I felt like I was driving, and that made it all fine for me. We finished the ride. It was fantastic. Did you like it? Better than Guardians or Tron?
Yes. I didn't get sick.
Yeah, this is, kiddo's here. She didn't ride. This is better than Guardians for me because you feel like you're driving it and it does not induce any motion sickness at all. It is the least motion sickness inducing roller coaster I've ever been on. Oh, look at that, the moon is out. This is going to be epic at night. We will come back on, was it April 4th? April 4th. Oh my God, that's game over. I love it. All right, we had to let Drew and them go because they were off on a live stream. Go check them out, guys. You are gonna love that channel. It's a good time. I'll put the info down in the description below. But we are hungry. The kiddo wants pizza, so I'm getting that from Pinocchio's. And then I want a burger. So we're eating at Starlight Cafe. This is complicated. But look at that gorgeous sunset happening over there.
As they say in my hand, this is where I live.
That's gonna do it. Unfortunately, I could not ride it at night. I gotta find out how to make that happen. It's gonna be tough with it being the virtual boarding pass. Because you don't know, you might get an early boarding pass, but then you might get a late one, but I wanna try to ride it at night. I don't know if I'm gonna make that happen. Dad is super excited I was able to ride it, but Dad doesn't do outros.